I think we came out as a brand swinging last year, you know. Make a podium at the first ever round of the World Championship. At the third round, I was able to put myself on the podium. My first ever World Championship podium. With a new team, new surroundings, hopefully we're in that situation a bit more this year.
Going to the first round and put the bike on the podium was historical, but the competition was really high. And we chased that overall win the whole year. We knew we belonged there.
There was a lot of good things from last year and I learned a lot, which I think was the most important, especially coming into an important year for me like this year.
Nobody really expected us to go after Guillem. You know, we got that opportunity and I felt the same way with Mikel back then. Like we got the opportunity, we jumped on it and we did the work.
Everyone's looking at the bike, everywhere you go, everyone is like looking at the new bike and everyone can see we got a good bike, we got a good solid team behind and yeah, I'm just really happy. Every time I get to know more of the team, I see why the bike's so successful. So yeah, I'm just really looking forward to go racing.
TF250X has obviously developed a lot over the last year and a half, let's say, that I've been riding it. But from the first day, it was already a great bike, you know, and we proved that at the beginning of last season. But this year, I've made a lot of changes, not only to myself, but also to the bike. I've gone in a very different direction than what I used to go to. So I think I'm bringing an overall complete different package to my racing this year. We've made some big changes on the bike and it shows, and I think it's going to show in the racing. So we've made big steps forward with myself, with the bike, with the team, and I'm looking forward to putting it all on the start line soon.
The first time I rode the Triumph, I felt like at home right when I rode it. The frame was one of the things that impressed me the most, and also the traction. So yeah, we've made some small changes. I just got it good for myself, suspension setup and everything, but I was impressed by the potential of the bike.
Every year is different. You're under pressure all the time. This year is maybe a little bit different because like you have 1 year under your belt. We done the work. The team has done quite a lot on and off the bike. Clément has been working this year with new position like trainer, riding coach, and some of the mechanics like been, you know, working night and day like the usual. So the team has done a lot of work to get into the new regulation and to still have a competitive bike. We learn a lot, and through the season, by learning through data and obviously like riders' comment, we knew we could improve some area of the chassis. We focused on that during the season and start developing some new parts and did some testing and seemed to be quite positive at the moment. And I felt that we are ready.
Second year with the team, a lot of changes this off-season, so I'm looking forward to put them to the test in Argentina.
Pre-season's gone pretty good. I was unfit when we started riding. After my injury, I think I was 6 months off the bike.
We had some good things last year other than the injury. You know, I was on the podium. We had some strong races, so built up some good confidence and then put in a good off-season, so I'm looking forward to getting started.
I've been feeling huge changes with everything. Main change being my fitness, also more into training. Yeah, I was actually missing all the grind. So it feels really good to be back.
New teammate this year, Guillem, great friend of mine for a few years already. So when I learned that he was going to come to the team, I was pretty excited already. And then now we've been training together as well. We're on a very similar program. So it's been nice to get on the bicycle with someone, go running with someone, go to the gym with someone, and someone that I enjoy being around and can work hard with.
I think we raced together in 2022 in the German Championship, and good opportunity. We get along really good, and I think we work good together. We do basically all our trainings are together on the bike and off the bike. It's great. I enjoy it. I think he enjoys it too, and we just have a fun time.
I think we have the same goal, very like-minded. I would say similar personalities, really laid back, both of us. So it's been a pleasure.
Obviously, he can help me with some stuff on the bike, off the bike, just to see how the team works. And obviously, these overseas races, he can give me a little hand on how everything works and how we gotta travel and all that stuff.
I never changed my expectation, and it's not a matter of hope. You know how much you put on the table. We put a lot of work into it. The riders put a lot of work into it, so there's no reason why we don't win.
I'm not pointing out any results right now. I just wanna go out there and ride like I can. If I ride to my potential, I know we'll be fine, we'll be good. That's what I'm expecting. Last year, I only got to race Supercross. So yeah, we know this start might be a little harder to get into the race pace and all this stuff. But yeah, I definitely want to ride like I've been doing training, and I think we'll be fine then.
I want to not only one, you know, I want to go for many wins, and hopefully the big win at the end of the season, you know, with a world title trophy. Triumph is such an iconic brand, and to be part of the story and the history, you know, it's something special.
For me, it's a dream. It's a dream to be lining up. Now we just gotta put in the results.
This year, to line up on one of the coolest bikes and then coolest stories in the whole paddock, I think it's something special and something I try and soak in and remind myself of every day.